video we will discuss about binary division. So let us divide two binary numbers. Remember this, the rules are same as we divide two decimal numbers. Okay, similarly the rules for divisions is same. Okay, so let us divide two numbers. The number is 10110. This is the binary number, and we will divide it by we will divide it by 10. Okay, even this example is discussed in a book, so I'm going to explain that how this is solved. So rules are same, remember this. So let us divide this. So remember this, for dividing the numbers we will follow the same rule as we divide numbers in decimal number system. So rules are same. We use to subtract after dividing. So let us divide. So I'm going to so let us divide this number. So our number is this one, that is 110. This is the number. I'm going to place here a few spaces. 101. 110, and this is the binary number 10. That is 2 in binary, that we have to divide this 110 with 10. So rules are same. How you will divide it? First it goes with 1. Now in binary it goes with most of the time ones or zeros. So first it goes with 1. So you can see here it goes with 1. So here I will use 1. Rules are same as we divide two numbers, so here we will use 1. So and here we will write this as it is 10. 10. Now we will subtract it. Next step is subtract, as we do in decimal division. Next step is to subtract it. So here we have to follow the subtraction rule. So rules for subtraction for binary. So here we have to recall the binary subtraction rules. The rules that we have followed while subtracting two binary numbers. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So here will be definitely 1. And next is 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Remember this, we are following here binary subtraction rules. So here will be 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we will bring this, as we had studied in the mathematics, we will bring this next digit down here. So next is 0. So 0 is left now, so we will bring this 0 down here. 0. Now it becomes again 10. So this goes with 10 again. So 1. So here will be what? 10. 1. Let us use your space. 10. So 10. Again we will follow the rules of binary subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. And 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 will be again 0. So our subtraction is division is complete. We can see the remainder is now 0. Now if we want to check whether our division is correct or not, again we can check it. How? We can convert this 110 into decimal and 10 into decimal number. So let us convert quickly this. So we know the rule, that how we can convert it. So if you remember, now I'm going to let us use here. So here the number is 11110. And let us convert it into decimal. So we know the rule. This is the first significant digit, the least significant digit. So it will be 0 into 2 raised to power 0. And after that we will use here plus. Okay, here plus will be there, and then we have to increase the powers. Okay, next significant digit is 1. Okay, so here will be 1 into, okay, 2 raised to power, okay, 2 raised to power 1, and the next last significant digit, the most significant digit, is 1 into, okay, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2, okay, 2 raised to power 2, and after that plus will be there. Okay, so this is, okay, so now after that, okay, we have to do the perform the calculation for this term. 1 into 2 raised to power 2, that is 4, because 2 into 2, that makes 4, 2 into, okay, so 4 into 1, 4, okay, plus 1 into 2 raised to power 1, that is 2. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0, and 2 raised to power 0 is 1, so 0 into 1, okay, 0, so here will be 0. Okay, any number multiplied by 0 is 0, remember this. So here this is 4 plus 2 makes 6. Okay, and we know that, okay, this number 1 0 is what? Okay, if you remember in the beginning, okay, while discussing the chapter, that 2 is written as what? This is binary 2. In decimal we write 2 in this manner. Okay, this is the decimal number 2, but this is, okay, in binary the 2 is written as 1 0. So this means here we are dividing, okay, this is what 1 1 0 is 6 and 1 0 is 2, so we are dividing here 6 by 2, and if we divide 6 by 2, definitely the remainder is 0 and quotient will be 3. So let us check whether this 1 1 is 3 or not. Okay, so we can check it. The quotient is what? 1 1 in binary, so definitely let us check whether 1 1 is written as 3 or not. So again, I will copy this one, because there are only 2 digits in this binary number. So first significant digit is present at 0, that is at unit place, and that is, okay, this 1 means at second place. So we will copy this. I'm going to copy this and place it here. So first significant digit is this 1, that is least significant. So here will be 1 into 2 raised to power 0, and for this one 1 into 2 raised to power 1. So and now let us calculate it. So 1 into 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 0 means 1, 1 into 1 1, so here will be 1. Okay, and plus, okay, plus will be as it is. Okay, so here will be 1 into 2 raised to power 1, that is 2. Okay, so 2 plus 1, that makes 3. So this means our answer is, okay, this division is correct. Okay, this is binary 2 and this is binary 6, and this is the binary division, and this is the decimal number 2 and this is decimal number 6. And if we divide, okay, decimal number 6 with 2, okay, then we quotient will be 3, and in binary the 3 is written as 1 1, and this is our quotient, okay, that we have calculated using binary division. So remember, this rules are same, okay, for division as we divide two numbers in decimal number system. So this completes the explanation of binary division.